Hi everyone, welcome back. We're back out with the Insta 360 X5 and we put on a chest mount and the other day they have that new reframe selection on this camera, and this is kind of cool. You can use a chest mount and mount the camera on there and go into reframe and put it on the rear camera, and you can walk around, you can do whatever you're doing, fly your drone, and your camera is going to be filming. I just wanted to do a short video and test out this chest mount for the next time we're out flying our drone, and we can hook this up to our chest. Anyways, this is pretty cool. I just wanted to do a quick test. I hope you enjoy this, and we'll catch you in the next one. Thanks for watching.